Namaste. Starting the day with a meditation practice helps you to stay calm and focused all through the day. Research says meditation preserves memory and improves all our life processes. This is a 7-minute practice along video which beginners also can do. I'm Liji Abraham, founder of Pranatva.
Be seated comfortably on a mat or a chair or on your bed or someplace outside. You need to sit with spine straight. You can take a support if you need. You can place your hands with the palm upwards or downwards or closer to your body. You can hold a mudra also. Now gently close your eyes. Start listening to your body, your breath. Open-minded as we are starting a beautiful day. Gently begin to deepen your breath. There is no force. You're breathing softly but deeper. The breath is slow and calm. Now with closed eyes, let us do a neck movement. Inhale, raise your head. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, and relax. Now let us do right and left movement. Your eyes are closed. To the left and center. Right and to the center. Continue the practice. You are in total connect with your body and mind. You can breathe normally when you're doing your right and left movement. Relax. Now slowly place your hands on your abdominal area. Build a connect with your belly. Nice, full, conscious breaths. Mindful exhalations. Feel the movement of your breath. Your abdominal area is gently moving with each breath. You're waking up with each inhalation and surrendering with each exhale. See how your mood is this morning. Relax and breathe. And observe that you're getting into a better space, more comfortable space. Take slower, softer but deeper breaths. There is no strain at all. Now slowly take your hands back and place it comfortably. Be in connect with your breath. Soften your facial muscles, your jaw. Observe the subtler aspects of your breath. You can feel the movement of the air in and out. Now gently adopt Namaskara Mudra. Feel the warmth in your palms. Now slowly bow down your head. A head to heart connection. Let us start the day with a sense of gratitude and set an intention for the day. It can be a reinforcement to yourself. It can be something you should be conscious of. But make sure it is not something from your to-do list. An intention how your rest of the day should be. Slowly take a few deeper breaths in and out. There is no strain. You're feeling much lighter. Feel the expansion in your aura with each inhalation. Gently rub your palms together and transfer that warmth around your eyes and face. Slowly blink open your eyes with a smile. Namaste.